গাইস আজকের হচ্ছে আমাদের হসপিটাল ডে। আর হ্যাঁ, এই সেলিব্রেশনটা কিন্তু প্রত্যেক বছর হয়ে থাকে। আর আমরা 3টে হসপিটাল থেকে এক জায়গায় হই সবাই একদিন।
H2 were the winners, obvious winners. So strong ladies of H2, please come on the stage once again. So next we call upon
Can you all see? No, not like that, Dr. Ajit. You hold this mic for me. It will go like this. The other hand, you all will use all the 5 fingers, okay? Idukku mele use Satta Mama. Okay, it will go like this. The other hand, you all will use all the 5 fingers, but on the right, you all will use whichever number I am showing. Can we try it once? I would like the doctors also to participate. Are you all with me, doctors? Yeah. So let's start. Yeah, I think the team is ready. Now it's time for me to move. Thank you.